Hey guys, I'm Patrick.
And I'm Moto Ramblings. And you're watching SinisterClutch.
What's up, YouTube? It is a gorgeous day today. Crazy thing is, I think it's supposed to snow tomorrow. Oh my gosh, this weather, I'll tell you. But today I wanted to talk about time. Time is of the essence. So obviously I'm a YouTuber, motovlogger, and I, like many others, struggle with time. And what I mean by that is, so I have a full-time job, a job that I work over 40 hours a week every single week. And the struggle is with that time is to make content. Not necessarily to come up with a topic, because I keep a list of topics, but trying to do my work, you know, day-to-day work with my full-time job, and then make time for family, and then make time to go out and ride, film a few things, and then after you film it, you got to edit it, and all this stuff takes time. And I know for a lot of people, editing can take hours. For some people, it depends on it. It obviously depends on how you choose to edit it, how granular you want to get into it, how technical you want to get into it. And that's something I've been trying to struggle with. But the other thing to that is weather can be against your side. That's why I'm riding today, because weather's going to be, I think the high tomorrow's in the 40s, which I don't care about that, but it's supposed to snow. Yeah, that's right, I said it, it's April, and it's supposed to snow, April 20th. And so I got to get it in today. Get it in whenever you can. Now, it doesn't feel like a job to me. It's still a hobby, but you kind of have that business sense to it, you know. My goal was always to get at least one video out a week. I know many people get out 2-3 videos a week, and that's great. If you can do it, do it. I just can't do that. I don't have the time. So with weather, a lot of my videos, a lot of my topics involve me. It's a destination. It's a destination ride. And so I like going to different places and showing off those different places in my state. You know, whether it be stuff about history or, you know, just beautiful areas, beautiful riding. Well, I have a lot of topics like that, and some of them might require me to go an hour and a half from where I live, which I'm more than happy to, because an hour and a half on a bike is nothing, because you're loving it. You're taking in that wind therapy. It's relaxing, gives you time to think. So if I gotta ride an hour and a half somewhere, that means an hour and a half back home. That's 3 hours of my day. I can't really do that right after work, especially when I get off at 5. So I need to do it on the weekend. Well, the past 2 or 3 weekends, it's either been because, well, let me start over. I haven't been able to really ride and make content because of weather or because of work. The only kind of content I could really talk about is, well, like what I'm talking about right now. Just random talk, random conversation, random thoughts. And you know, time can get away from you. So I have all these topics, like I said before, and I just can't make them happen unless it's on the weekend. And I really enjoy trying to make those destination ride videos I know a lot of people like those. I know I enjoy them a lot, especially when I go on vacation. I got a lot of that coming up this year. And that's kind of the purpose of this video, just to talk about, I know a lot of YouTubers know how they struggle with time. Everybody struggles with it, whichever, you know, however way they do. But there's a lot of people that watch videos and they're not YouTubers, they're not motovloggers. So I just want to discuss about, you know, the time it takes to, you know, to do all these things. The videoing, the editing, and making time for everything else. And what goes into it. You know, the struggles, the sacrifices. Yeah, it's a hobby, but, you know, I know a lot of people enjoy it. I'd enjoy it, or I wouldn't do it. You know, I don't want it to be a job. I don't want to feel like a job. If it's not fun to me, I don't want to do it anymore. And I definitely love it. I mean, other YouTubers, motovloggers got me into doing it. So if you are someone that does not YouTube and you wonder why, you know, maybe this person didn't get out a video in a month or whatever, just something to think about. You know, people go through a lot of things in their life just like anybody else. We're human, and things take time. You have a death in the family, or you have things you need to take care of at home, you know, the honey-do list, or projects around the house, or spend more time with the family. Sometimes you got to take a break. I'm not saying this because I'm going to take a break. I don't see myself taking a break for a while, but, you know, maybe one day I will. Maybe I'll take a month off. I don't know. I really enjoy doing it, but again, these things happen. But I think that's pretty much it for this video. I'll end it here. Oh, development out here. But I appreciate you watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And always, rip the ride. See ya.